Hi everybody. I'm doing this video today just to say a very big thank you and to give a big shout out to a company in New Zealand called Country Trading Co. They have been so kind and sent me a present, which I'm very happy to share with you all because I think some of you might be interested in this as well. How this came about is some of you have probably seen my video I made about washing the dishes with handmade soap. And I've also did my video around that time how to make your own laundry soap or cleaning soap with coconut oil, and I used rice bran oil in this soap as well. Sorry, the birds are really loud outside all of a sudden. But one of my lovely viewers, I know who you are and I just want to say thank you. I looked up your review on their website. After I did my video about washing up for soap making, this lovely viewer went and found these soap shakers, and bought one from Country Trading Co. I didn't even know they existed. Bought one and left a review on their website saying, I found out about washing your dishes with your own soap through Elly's every day. They since contacted me and said, this is so wonderful, love your video, we'd love to send you a soap shaker, would you like one? And I thought, wow, that's wonderful. Initially I thought, oh, I don't know if I really need one because I use a dishwasher, and then something has occurred to me. I actually don't have a method for dissolving my soap in my mop bucket for doing the floors. So I gratefully accepted their gift, and I'm going to use this now to put the soap into my mop bucket for when I wash my floors, and I'll probably use it for other things as well. So I just want to show you this. This is so great. All of their packaging is eco-friendly, which is great. They don't use any plastic, and their products are just beautiful. I will put some links to their website below. They have invited me to be a friend of Country Trading Co. and I had a look through their products and I really love what they're doing. Yogurt making, cheese making, seed sprouting, gardening equipment, all sorts of lovely stuff that is all related to cooking and doing things yourself at home. So have a look at their stuff. They also were very gracious and sent me a fermentation kit. It's got those little silicone airlock things in it. I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm really keen to try that. It's also got some glass weights that I can use in my mason jars. Some of you might know that I make my own sauerkraut and kimchi and things like that. So that is going to be really fun to play with as well. But I just wanted to share with you the unboxing of my soap shaker. The cool thing about their soap shaker, from what they told me and from what I can see, is that I love that there's no plastic at all. There it is. How simple is that? It's just like the one my Nana had. It really is, except hers wasn't stainless steel. But this is the cool difference with theirs. It's got little feet on the bottom, so it stands up. How great is that? So if you were washing your dishes in the sink with this, you could swish it around, you know, make your water all soapy, and then just stand that on a plate or stand it somewhere. So this is how it works. You pull the ring up, open up the cage, put your soap in. Look at that. That's my laundry soap. It fits perfectly. Oh, it was meant to be. And there it is. So there's my soap in the soap cage. I love that. I brought up my mop bucket from the laundry, gave it a bit of a clean up. It was a bit dusty. I really do need to wash my floors. So I'll be able to fill my mop bucket now with hot water, swish that around in there, swish, 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 and I will be able to wash my floors with my own handmade soap. How good is that? Anyway, so Country Trading Co. did not sponsor me or did not pay for me to do this. They didn't even ask me to, but I wanted to because I just thought it was lovely. And I really do want to support businesses like this. And, you know, they're supporting me too by helping me out with things like this and helping inspire me to think of other types of content for that might be interesting to my viewers. But yeah, this is great. So yeah, if you want to get one of these, feel free to use my links below. I will receive a little commission from those sales. Like I said, they were really happy to support me in that way, and I really want to support them too because I love what they're doing. So Country Trading Co., they have a warehouse in the United States. So they're based in New Zealand, but they have an Australian website, but they also have a US website, and they can ship products to Australia, to New Zealand, the USA, and also the UK. So if you're in any of those countries and you'd like to get a soap shaker, you can from Country Trading Co. How cool is that? Anyway, you can tell I'm excited. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cleaning. Bye.